Hi, how everyone doing today? It's your boy Javon Foster, the founder, the creator of the Market Bandit strategy here at J&Day Trading Group. So today I just want to do a quick breakdown of my US30 trade. It was a beautiful trade this morning. A quick 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. I made a lot of money today, right? Good profit. So I took this trade off the 1 minute time frame. So let's do a quick breakdown analysis. First, I want to start off from the 1 hour time frame. I don't want to go back to the daily or the 4 hour time frame. There's no need for that, guys, especially the fact that I'm only scalping US30. Now it's not that I don't check the higher time frame such as the 4 hour and daily time frame, but as you notice, I have support resistant lines on this market on this chart, and I'm already aware of where price is currently at, based on the previous week and days looking at this market, right? So first thing I want to establish when I got on chart this morning, I looked at the hour time frame. I looked to see where price was currently at. I noticed that price was at a nice rejection area, right? Nice area of support, major reversal area of support. And if you guys know anything that I've taught you guys about expectation as supply and demand, right? If you don't know, I'm gonna stop right here and say go ahead and please purchase my Forex course. It's now available. It was once $750. Now it's only $299, right? So purchase while it's here. Okay, so if you purchase my course, I talk about the expectation in the market at a support or resistance. And this was one of the expectation, price rejecting in a V-shaped manner, right? So once I noticed that happening, what I did after that was I pulled up my RSI, okay? And after pulling up my RSI, I wanted to see if we have divergence because I'm big on confluences, guys. I never want to take a trade just because it's at a certain area. I need to see confluence, right? Um, so one of the major thing, if you guys looked, we had divergence. So when you look at this low over here, that peak low and this other peak low, and then you also look on the RSI over here and here, you see that we have divergent. Price is going downwards over here, right? While on the RSI, you can see that peak is going upwards. So we have divergence over here. So that was another key confluence. And I was like, all right, good. We might start getting that price to push a little bit higher. Okay. So after doing so, guys, the next thing I took heed to, right, after realizing that we had divergence, was looking at the fact that we have an imbalance over here, right? I'm looking at the previous high, right? But I'm also looking at this gap. Now, why is this an imbalance? And I go more in depth on this on my course, guys, is every candle need a retest candle, right? So in other words, you see that we have this black candle here. The previous candle retested 50% or more right here, that wick, before continue going down. And every candle needs that retest candle. And if a candle such as this one don't have that retest, we typically see price push up to fill that gap before going back down, okay? So looking at this chart, we see that from this candle to here, there's no retest. So that alone signifies that we need price to at least push here, at least to the middle of this candle. I did cut my profit short, but I'm okay. Made good money for the day, right? So once noticing all of that, guys, next thing I did was just go on the smaller time frame. So I went on the 15-minute time frame, right? I see that price once again at my support and resistance line. I see that price broke and retest this area, and it didn't just break this area, but it broke the previous high, which is over here, to the left. As you can see, price broke above that area, and I was at retested my structure. Now, there's two things I was looking at as well. Not only that price broke this area, but I was also looking at the fact that price respected this support right there. Okay. after seeing that as well, and once again seeing a bunch of these imbalances, the next thing I want to do is just go in a smaller time frame. And I went even on a smaller time frame. I went on straight to the 1 minute, and once I seen price break above my previous, I did have a late entry, guys. Um, I did have a late entry, but once again, going back to even my course, right? I talk about how to even enter on a break and retest. So one of the main thing I did was first and foremost look at the trend of that retest, right? And I need to see price break out my trend line and break out a previous high. Now it did break out the trend line, break out my previous high right here, and break right there as well. But once again, it was a late entry, guys. I was doing something and I was looking at the chart and it kind of missed me a little bit. So I did enter a little bit later up here, right? And I don't risk more than 40 points on the US30 trade, especially on the 1 minute time frame. I keep it very simple, right? Especially knowing that this market was very volatile. It was during the market open, and during that moment, the market moves very, very fast. So I took the setup and also applied my market bandit strategy, which I will not be revealing in this training. If you would like to see my strategy, guys, please purchase my course, right? It's all included in my course, right? So I applied also my market bandit strategy, and I just traded this to my imbalance, as you can see right over here, right? A little bit higher than normal, a little lower than where I'm supposed to go, sorry, right here. Traded right there, and market played out exactly how I expected, guys, and I was able to capitalize a 1 to 3 risk to reward on this trade. It's a beautiful trade, guys, beautiful setup. If you guys have any questions, I recommend purchase my Forex course. You can comment under this post and also follow me on Instagram. You can ask me more questions in my DM. I'm always available to answer, and I'm always willing to answer as long as that's something silly. Right? But I hope you guys got some value from this, and I hope you guys apply some of this knowledge to your trading and make money. Let's go.